Ever wondered what makes Cropilots tractors stand out in the market? It's not just about the final product, it's also about the process. Welcome to our CNC machining workshop, the heart of our commitment to precision and innovation. Cropilots is synonymous with quality and reliability, and our CNC machining workshop is a key part of that reputation. This is where raw materials are transformed into the intricate parts that make up our tractors. It's a symphony of precision, accuracy, and efficiency, conducted by our skilled technicians and state-of-the-art machinery. But what does this mean for you? It means that when you choose Cropilots, you're choosing a product that's been crafted with the utmost attention to detail. Every part that we produce in-house, from the smallest bolt to the largest gear, has been meticulously machined to ensure optimal performance and durability. While we don't produce all parts in-house, our CNC machining workshop allows us to maintain strict quality control over the parts we do produce. This not only ensures the quality of our tractors, but also enables us to respond quickly to your needs. Need a custom part for your tractor? Our CNC machining workshop can produce it. So, step into our CNC machining workshop and discover how Cropilots is redefining precision, efficiency, and innovation.